Hello there. Today we're going to do a little modification on the wife's Jeep. More like cosmetic modification. We're going to install some red SRT lettering on this blacked out area right here. I got this from Amazon, right, this one. But it says it's a Mopar. So hopefully camera will focus there. You can see that it's a Mopar official licensed product. So first I'm gonna clean this and with some alcohol. I got a bunch of alcohol over here, alcohol pads, and install the thing. So we'll see how this goes. Hopefully I can install it straight. All right, I'll show you how it's done. So this tow hitch cover first has this SRT logo in here, but you can barely see it. I've seen some other Jeeps that have this red lettering in here, so I got it from Amazon and try to see if I can install it. First you have to make sure this area is clean so the glue adheres. So I'm just cleaning it with some alcohol pads. Just be generous with it. Make sure it's clean, and then just follow the instructions. My problem is I cannot install anything straight, so we'll see how this goes. Okay, looks like the package comes with 2 sets of stickers right here, as you can see, which is pretty cool. I guess if you mess up like I probably will, it's a good thing. And it looks like it matches well with the area right there. So I don't know what this little arrow is for, but I guess we'll figure it out. So let's go ahead and install this. Here's the S. So it kind of helps if you have something like this, little flat plastic thingy. I guess a credit card will do, so that you can kind of press it down, and it's kind of tricky actually. So it's the best I can do for now. It looks quite alright, but we'll see how this thing lasts. I'll save the other one for next time, just in case this peels off and doesn't stay. So on to the R. Let's go. So we kind of do it like that. Kind of works that way. You can slowly work it in, so really helps with something like this. Straighten this out. See here, I guess it would help if I had a tripod for my camera, but I don't, so let's do it this way. It kind of works actually. I don't really trust myself installing this kind of things that require some sort of dexterity, because I'm not very dexterous. I don't know if that's even a word. I don't have really good dexterity with my fingers. So I'm actually surprised I can install like that. I can install this this thing. I don't really have very good dexterity. So I'm kind of surprised that I'm able to install this with some sort of decent look to it. See, kind of looks nice. Oh, here you go. So it really does help to have a tool like this. Huh. Well, you know where I got this. This came with the Lux taillight tint for the charger, so that you can remove the air bubbles when you install the taillight tint. So this works. I would suggest you have something like this ready, so it helps you get this in like that. So yeah, so it kind of looks like that. What do you guys think? Comment below, let me know, what do you guys think? So I'm gonna go ahead and install, I have a black SRT emblem also. I don't know where it is, also from Amazon, but I don't know where I put it. Anyways, so here's the finished product. We'll see how it lasts when it gets rained on, car wash, and all those things. So kind of looks nice. It makes the tail light, the tow hitch cover pop out with the SRT name in it. And I got some extra just in case this doesn't stay. So I'll make another video and review this in a couple months, see how long it stays. I'll just keep it. And I'll put the links in the description below, so you can check it out and you can buy it. I got this from Amazon. It's pretty cheap. I don't remember how much it is, but easy enough install, and I think it looks great. Let me know what you think. But that's how it kind of looks like, kind of far away. So let me stand up a little bit farther. There you go. It looks nice. Makes that SRT emblem pop on the tow hitch cover. Perfect. So link is in the description below. Comment on what you think. Pretty straightforward install. Alright, see you later.